we are going to unbox the Gaomon M10K graphic tablet. So this is one of those tablets that you can write on with a pen. And this one is obviously not one of the name brands, but it gets really good reviews on Amazon. And it's not very expensive, 60 bucks. Comes in a pretty nice box, like the box has got some thickness to it. Just pop that open there. Pop that open there. Let's see what it's like. Wow, that's actually stuck. That's kind of cool. Not that that matters, but it's still fun. Wow, look at the size of it too. This is awesome. Look at that. Fancy. And it comes with what looks like a bag that you can carry it in. Yep, some kind of carrying bag. Look at that, the logo, like when they heat pressed it, I guess it was still warm when they folded it. Let's see, this is a weird material. Not plastic, it's like a, I don't know what that is, honestly. This is, looks like pen tips, like additional tips for the pen, I guess. And here's the pen. So it says it's a batteryless pen, but yet it still has buttons. So it'd be very interesting to see exactly how that works. I'm not quite sure how that would work. So this pen has the same material as this bag for the tips. Kind of like a felt almost. And then this looks like maybe the manual and some cleaning material. Cleaning cloth rather. Now let's go ahead and see what this is. If I can figure out how to open the bag. Oh my goodness. I got it. I swear, it's right there. All right. I think it's like just a cloth. Oh no, what is this? Oh, this is like a half glove. What? What do you do with this? I have to put that on wrong. Maybe it's for the right hand, and the intent is to just have your pinky. That's kind of weird. I wonder if that's for sliding on the pad while you're using the pen. It's got to be what this glove is for. So as you use that pen, then you're not rubbing your greasy hand or whatever all over the pad all the time. So it's a little more fluid. That's kind of cool. Definitely unique. Wouldn't have expected that, honestly. I think that's all that's in here. Let's see. Nope. USB cable here. It's probably 4 or 5 feet maybe. Definitely not 6. Yep. Okay, so what I wanted to show you here, and my daughter is drawing right now, and basically this pad has, they claim 8,192 sensitivity levels, like how hard you push down on the pen will adjust how thick the lines are. Like so this is Photoshop, so we're just doing some quick little draws. She's drawing on the tablet here with the pen, and then depending on how hard she's pushing down on that pad, it makes the line thicker or thinner. It's very cool. It's actually pretty easy to write some text too, at least I think so. Some smiley faces and some fun things. Yeah. So if you want to be able to do stuff like this, and I personally don't think you could do this with a mouse. Maybe some people can, but I just don't have that control personally. And so this tablet literally makes it so much easier. I mean, look how cool that looks. Handwritten. Good luck doing something like that with your mouse. That's just my personal opinion. So again, 60 bucks on Amazon. Fantastic tablet. The buttons on the side here you can see in the little camera. So these buttons right here, actually you can open the software and then program these buttons to do certain key combos, like F1, F5, these right here are the brackets. And so as you tap, you can see that I'm making larger and bigger. So now when she draws, it's going to be a much larger. Holy smokes, why'd that get so big? Did you do that?
Yeah.
Is that on the pen itself? So the pen has buttons too. I don't think those were, I think that's a right click or something like that. Now it's not drawing? What'd you do to it? Wait, push on the tablet again. Something ain't right here. Oh, because you changed the tool to erase.
Oh.
How did that happen though? Maybe I accidentally bumped a button. Yeah, here you go. So actually, if you choose a, like, see how big it is? Because you're only pushing slightly down, you can actually draw really thin lines, even though it is a large brush tool. And then when you want a large line, you just push harder, and now you'll get this big fat line. Wow. Actually, that's pretty cool. Another cool thing that it has is this little spinny thing right here is actually like, it's bound to zoom. So as you spin with your finger like this, you can zoom in and out of the graphic. So I think it's pretty cool. The reason I bought it is because I want to be able to do whiteboard sessions now that I do a lot of work from home. And so I needed some kind of pen thing like this to be able to basically do whiteboard simulation from my computer instead of writing on a mouse would be difficult, or the camera with a whiteboard behind me. So that's the point. So thanks for watching, guys. We just wanted to show you what this looks like and how good this tablet is for the price. It's pretty fantastic.